So this champagne toast is just to celebrate like positive vibes, you know, positive life. I'm just happy to be married to my wife. Great family, great friends. I'm excited to pop this. We are about to get on some ATVs. Start it up. What's up?
Tie up.
Tie up. It's time to get busy. It's time to get busy. Hey.
I have on my helmet and my mask. I'm ready to go. This behind us is what we're riding in. Ooh. You excited?
I'm excited. You know I'm excited.
Yeah.
You know I couldn't wait to do this.
Yeah.
So, about to have some fun. About to start it up. Start it up.
ATV, baby.
Baby, I ain't scared of no four-wheelers. ATV. Hey, man, how'd you do? Hey, you look so good right now, girl. We finished ATV and it was everything we wanted and more. A guy at the end, he was like, you guys was riding like pros. Like, we figured it out. We didn't ask him for help, and as we was leaving, we see a couple get stranded and everything like that. He's like, we usually see people stay at the bottom. We was all the way up the top. We was getting it. Siobhan was getting it. Half the time, I didn't even see Siobhan. She didn't even see me. We was out there just hitting the trails, and then we went up to the hill, top of the hill.
I got stuck twice and had to roll backwards down.
Yeah, she got stuck twice and had to roll back. And I was like, that's a no-no. They said reverse. She was hitting the front brake. I said, you using the front brake? She was like, yeah.
I had to.
She listened, but we did it. And we back on the way to the house to make some cocktails and post some Instagram pictures.
It's mojito time.
It's mojito time. Well, mojito for her. I might do something else.
This is mine, so I can put as much in like. And then I'm gonna squeeze in my lime. You have to smack the mint. I don't know what it does. It releases the aromas. So I put my mint in. And I'm gonna put my club soda, which I like to use Sprite. Use Sprite, make it taste good. Put my club soda in the mix. Honey. Can't forget the honey. Pour it into your glass. Put one in the glass. Then
looks very nice.
Hey Lee,
What's up, baby?
you floating
This is just like relaxing. You get to take your feet off the ground
and float.
and just float.
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 Float on.
Float on.
Float on.
To
Float on.
Jesus, float on. No man gonna handle me.
Is it just a floating hat?
Nope. Almost. Yeah. It is now.
Was it just a floating hat?
Yeah. Extreme caution. Remember that.
Our goal is to get down here to this canyon. Ready, Lee?
I'm ready, babe. What's our goal again?
To get down to the canyon.
Get down to the canyon. Brother,
Shades on.
shades on. You want to put that hat on?
Hat on.
Look at shit. Look at her. Oh, you like the girl? Tell me what you like about her. Palm Canyon Trail. Ooh.
So this trail is very steep. We have to put the camera away.
Yeah.
We'll see you when we get to the bottom.
Yeah.
We made it down here. Look how pretty it is. It looks like freaking the Jungle Book. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
This is in Palm Springs Desert in Indian Canyon. Look at those.
You said you want to try to touch it?
Yeah.
All right. Want to try one more time? Hold up. Want to try one more time?
Yeah, one more time.
All right.
Mark, get set, go. Y'all, it's starting to thunder.
Starting to thunder. We got to get up out of here. So we're walking back up this hill. It ain't easy. So remember that. If you ever come out here, save a little energy for the hike back. SNL2, you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love y'all.